Welcome to EKTV. Today, a moderate magnitude earthquake was reported in Honduras. The quake hits Honduras today, 16 February 2022. US Geological Survey is the first agency to report this quake, and German Research Center for Geosciences is the second agency to report this quake with same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth might be revised in next few hours or minutes. If you like our videos, then please subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates.